Here's your 60-second script. Every wireless signal, every electric motor, every beam of light follows the same 4 equations. Maxwell's equations govern all of electromagnetism, but solving them by hand takes serious time. That's why we built this free interactive calculator. Plug in your electric field strength, magnetic field values, charge density, and current density, and it instantly computes key electromagnetic quantities, including divergence, curl, and wave relationships, across all 4 equations simultaneously. Here's a quick example. Enter an electric field of 500 volts per meter, a magnetic flux density of 0.002 Tesla, and a current density of 10 amps per square meter. Within seconds, you get a complete summary showing how these fields interact and propagate. No differential equations, no hours of calculation, just clear, instant results you can actually use. Click the link below to try the Maxwell's Equations Summary Calculator for free right now. Word count 143.